Hello and welcome to the 18th lesson of our WordPress beginner to advanced course, where our ultimate goal is to become job ready to start providing freelance services with WordPress and Elementor on Upwork, Fiverr or whatever freelance marketplace you would love to work on. And so far our progress is real great. We now know how to customize a website. We now know how to build a web page using Elementor and WordPress. And now in this video I am going to show you how to purchase a domain name. First of all, let me show you the channel, which is AZR Dev. I'm going to purchase a domain name for this YouTube channel and my targeted domain name is azr.dev. So I'm going to take you to namecheap.com, from where I mostly purchase the domain names, and I'm going to attach the Namecheap link into the description field below. And after visiting the page, you have to provide, or actually have to enter the domain name right here to see if the domain name is available, if the pricing is right, or if you want to change the domain name if needed. So I'm going to target this one, azr.dev. So let me type out here azr.dev, and after that I have to click on this search button. So if we click here, it is going to show that if the domain name is available, the pricing and other information regarding the domain name. So let's just wait while it is being loaded. And as you can see, wow, so this domain name is premium. Though I have seen this domain few minutes ago, it was only $15, but now it is 115 US dollars. So I'm not going to take this domain for sure, but I'm going to go with an alternative. So just take a look. The pricing wasn't good for me, so I'm just ignoring. So as you can see here, azr.org, it is going to be cost you 8,800 US dollars if you want to go with the domain, and we have got few more options as you can see. So let me just ignore. I'm going to go with azrdev.com instead. So let me type out azrdev.com and let's see if we can find this domain name available. Yeah, just take a look. Oops, not co, we want .com, and azrdev.com is available for 8.88 US dollars. For 9 US dollars we are getting this domain, and I don't want to miss this domain for sure. So I'm going to click on add to cart button right here, and here we go. We have got azrdev.com added to our cart. It's time to click on this view cart button, and okay, from this page you can select the time frame for how long you want to register this domain name. So I want this for the first 1 year. You can select up to 10 years right here. So I would love to go with the first year, or let's say for the next okay, let's go with for 1 year, and after that I can simply keep it to auto renew because I want to keep this domain name active. And if I don't add this auto renew, it is not going to be auto renewed. I have to renew this domain name manually when the 1 year is passed. So now I'd love to keep it to auto renew, as I am planning to make this website a big one step by step. And then from WizGuard, it is completely free, so I'd love to keep it free forever so that my privacy is going to be protected. No one is not going to find my email address, my name, my phone number, or the other details, whatever I am going to enter here on my Namecheap account. So sometimes we receive lots of spam message, spam emails, spam calls, so it is going to save us from these kinds of efforts. So now if I want to take you to the bottom of this page, if you can have these other extra features. As you can see, you can purchase an SSL certificate for 3.88 US dollars per year, but I'm going to ignore this one. And you have got few more options. If you want, you can simply select these options based on your need. If you need them, you can select these options. So I don't need any one of these services. And now I am going to go with this by clicking on this confirm order button. So let me click on confirm order. And after that I have to sign in. If you don't have an account on Namecheap, you have to provide your information, username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and email address right here. And after creating your new account, you have to sign in to your Namecheap account. So I'm going to provide my account information right here. So my account information is Rafi, and then I'm going to select the password from here. And now if I click on sign in and continue, it is going to take me to the sign in or logged in page. Okay, so they have sent me a validation email, so I have to verify the code. So I'm going to my Gmail inbox where they sent me an email, and here we go. This is the code, so I'm going to copy and let me take you back here, paste the code right here, and it's time to click on submit, and they are going to take us to the actual page. As you can see, 9.6 US dollars is going to be the charge by adding this ICANN fee. And now if I click on pay now button, yeah, payment authorized, order sent for processing, 0 out of 2 items has been completed, and it is going to work, as you can see. All right guys, so thank you for your purchase. Your order, this number placed on this, completed, and they have charged my my card already. So this was the process how you can purchase a domain name from Namecheap. And now I already have got this domain name. If I want to show you here, we have got azhardev.com is active now on our account. February 11, 2022 is the expiry date of this domain. So as I have kept it auto renew, it is going to get auto renewal automatically. So this was the process of purchasing a domain name from Namecheap, and I believe you have found this video helpful, informative. If you did, please give this video a like and share this video to help your friends. And let's go for the next step. We are going to build a complete website on this domain name step by step throughout our next lessons. So I hope to see you in the next lessons. Thank you so much for watching this far. Have a good day. Bye bye.